Two of them coming. What is that? Something dead in there. Something very dead in there. We're camping on the Gilbert River, 8:30 in the morning, and the sun is shining. Not much water at the moment, but what there is crystal clear, thin little shallow areas that you can sort of get wet in if you want to. It gets quite hot here. It was 31 degrees yesterday. But when it's that shallow and narrow, you can be pretty confident that there's no crocs. Heaps of bird life around and lots to explore here. So today we've got the plan. We want to wander up there. We walked up this way yesterday. And there's some fish sort of, you know, might try and catch a couple of tiny fish just for the fun of it. There's also, yesterday, saw a shed up in the bush up there. There's no tracks in there. It looks like a pump station or something. I don't know what it is, but we're going to go up there and try and scope it out. What else? Go for a walk way up the riverbed. There's like a sand dune over there that kids were playing on the other day. So we'll go up there with a boogie board and have a bit of a play on that. So right now we're across the road from, well, there's the highway there with the bridge. There's a free camp just at that end that we stayed in the first night. Then we had a bit more of a look around while we were staying there and found this spot. Here's the campsite. That's a bit steep and off camber coming in. It's flat enough. It's a bit of a hump, but yeah, use that to level out your van. And a couple of rooftop tents or something in here. Floor mat down, fire there. This had all shrubby shit like that stuff. Was all through here. I cleared it all out. Heaps of shade, good solar during the day. The smallest little hook I have. Chuck this on and I think some bread. But there was probably about 3 or 4 fish that we spotted that were like, you know, like that big. And I reckon they're big enough to fit their mouth around that. I think I stuffed it up.
You're so good at fishing.
Yeah, told ya. The shed's over in that bush there, so that's fence line and then there's no track over there, so we're going to go onto the main road and see if we can get into it. No one's equipped for this trek if we have to go bush. We're all wearing thongs, so might need boots to get into this spot. Found the track. There's those little wallaby things everywhere. It'd be cool if we saw one scattering. This is why you don't wear thongs. I just trod on a little vertical stick and now I'm bleeding. Enough to annoy me. So I spotted it, it's over there. It's like a towel, it must be something to do with pumps or I don't know. There's a gate back there, one of the wire gates that they use out here. We might go put boots on and walk in there. What do you reckon? Keen as. Look at this, is that, what digs that up? Is that pigs? It's like holes, a series of holes, and if you know what that is, you know what digs this up, let us know in the comments, because I have no idea. Look at it. Those marks there, that line, that's from those wallaby things. You see them all over the beach. That's their tail. They walk along with their tail dragging and just creep along on all fours. So maybe it's them. Look at, yeah, look, that's got all scratch marks in it. Could be the little wallabies. Turns out that I just got a little bit south, just a little bit north of the Georgia line. What do you reckon of this design? Let us know if you like it. I've got a whole heap of stickers of this. Well, not a whole heap, about 25 or 30. Alright, we're at the gate thing. Proper footwear on, and Fia's the only one that wanted to come with me. Duck under, step over. Duck under, duck. Yes. There's this old donkey track. You good?
Ow.
Can't figure out how to get over to it. It's just such dense, shitty bush. It's got a river height marking on it. Oh no, it's got graffiti on it. This is bizarre. Hold on. All right, it's opened up a little bit here.
Can we go in that?
I don't know. Water Resources Monitoring Site. This shelter contains instrumentation which is part of a monitoring network operated by the Queensland Government to measure and access the water resources of the state. Please do not interfere with this installation. No one's been here for a long time. Should have brought a big torch, huh? Put the GoPro lens up to the hole and that. Can't see a thing. Just noticed the water level marking's got years printed on it, stamped on it. Let's have a quick look. Or is that 11.5 meters above the bottom? I don't know. And then 12? Yeah, maybe that's what it is. But 1974, that is way above my head height. That's insane. Like, that is well up above our caravan, up onto the flats and spilling way up onto the road. Like, that's crazy. We made it to the bloody water marker thing.
We did it.
All right, back to camp. Let's get up to something else. Here's one of those ant things that have fallen off, broken off. They're quite heavy, solid like dirt, but just with tunnels all through it. Let's see if it smashes. That tower's over in that bush there on this same level. So 1974, if that's where a floodwater, I'm gonna Google it, but it's like hundreds of meters wide, this river. Google does say that, what?
The record major flood of the Gilbert River was in January 1974 and the floods of Feb 91 and in January and February 2009.
Widespread road closures, inundation of properties throughout the catchment. We're going on a little adventure just to go across the bridge, turn left. There's a mango plantation, but there's just a main road up here, so we're just going to go up and see if there's any access points to the river. This is the first left-hander off that road that heads back to the river, but it's just comes to the edge of the mango plantation. Whoa, look at that chain.
Whoa. That's a big chain.
I spotted something over in the bush here, some old metal. Don't know what it is, we're going to check it out. There's also big brolgas over in the paddock there. What is that? Something dead in there. Something very dead in there.
What is it?
Maybe pigs. Do you want to stay back so you don't have to see the dead stuff?
What is that?
Yeah, they're pigs. Alright, let's go. Gross. That's a trap for sure. That look at this. Go in to get whatever's in there. Can't get out. Dead. Gonna fly the drone over to those brolgas.
One, go.
It weighs you down deeper than you know. Yeah, it weighs you down deeper than you know. Peace, be still, my darling. All is well, my darling. Your anxious heart may as well be stone. Oh, it weighs you down deeper than you know. Yeah, it weighs you down deeper than
I think this is the end of the line. There's track continues through that gate and then out that way towards the river, but clearly someone's property. I might turn around, head back to lunch, and we'll go do the fishing thing. Check out these brolgas, they're right here. They're bloody massive, they are big birds. Scorcher, it's hot, sun creamed up. We'll go to sit in the shade and we'll try to catch the biggest of the small fish. There's 2 of them coming. Oh, look at them go!
Alright, you ready to go fishing? Marlins in here.
Get in there.
Whoop. Oh God, one's gonna...
Bread person.
Bread. This is top-notch bread here.
Yeah, good.
Most expensive bread we've ever bought.
My heart is just too black. Hate to be turned down. Same old story.
We're on. Watch out, everyone.
Ah,
Whoa! Whoa! Let's go! Woo! Hello! Can I touch
I
it?
need a fish blanket.
just chuck him in the water.
Quick.
Whee! Here he goes.
So damn hot out here. We're going back 10 to 3. That was fun. It's quite addictive because you can just watch them going at it. So we're off the Cobalt Gorge after this spot. That's tomorrow. And you need to take your own wood in. So I'm gonna chop some of this up with the mighty Azito, but have a quick look at these. Thanks to the boys at Tracks. Base rack, but all the little extra bits that you can get with a base rack. These things are awesome. Little tie down points that you can twist, take off, put them wherever you want. Recovery board holders, awning, brackets, shovel holder. And every piece just clamps onto these dovetail sections. So there's dovetail all along the outside, along every slat, and there's a wind deflector at the front there.
Same old story. It's gonna be so right.
Oh, it's got covered in dirt and dust and crap. I'm going in this water. Alright, here we go. Look at that. Crystal clear water as the semis go across. Oh, coming in hot. Magic. Magic. Oh. Cheers. We're going to the dunes on the other side with the boogie board that we have for the Big Red Bash. We've been wanting to ditch that bloody board for so long now. We nearly threw it in the bins at the hotel in Winton.
Go!
I wanna go somewhere far away. I wanna go where they don't know my name. Get out of town, 'cause I can't take no more. In this old town, it's got nothing left for me. All I've got are these broken memories.
Last can of Benspo. What do we have? 2 cases 4 weeks ago?
Yeah.
Finally made it.
Young and restless, waiting for my day.
Oh, it's a lot of work, not much reward.
How hot are you?
Very hot.
32
Roasting.
degrees. Not fair. Dying. Gotta go all the way back there.
Lying to stars is everything I need. But this road's still calling me. I'm getting restless, waiting for my day to come. I've been talking about living for way too long.
Girls, do you reckon I can get that flint to work? Kind of flint. Working gum leaves. I don't know how to do it. I've never done the bloody thing before. Nope. See if this will work. What about this stuff? Do you reckon?
Why not?
It could be nothing. Oh, this might. Like hair. Oh, look at that! Yeah, boy!
That's got the flint going. You got the flint.
That's sick, I've never done that before. Alright, now I've got to keep it going. Fuck, I don't have enough materials around. Not going yet. Woo! That's a wrap. Gilbert River, epic. You come here, don't stay on the road, come up the dirt track a little ways and duck down in there. Cool little spot to yourself.